number 3. We're looking at this. You see how that was? Beautiful chard on that rib. Now I'm going to turn these ribs and get a sizzle. You see that? Candy coated. See this bitch one too. Look at this little bitch right here. So beautiful. Woo. I'm having so much fun just barbecuing. Why can't anybody just do this? It's not that hard at all. Now you just get that. And get over here. I got 2 ribs on the bottom. They've been cooking there and smoking up. See, it's just tenderized. I can just grab it with my hand. My hands are real clean. Let me move that out there real quick. See, it doesn't even get hot. See? It doesn't even get hot that much. But for safety reasons, just go like that. This too much. Let me move this one. I don't want to get too charred. Go to the back. Put this one over here. That. This one over here. Yeah, that one needs to go over here. Okay, they're almost done. Another little while to be finished. These things are so freaking long, you know? Woo.